I have find the matrix T if x times T is equals I, where x, look, these are the elements of x, minus 1, 1, 1, and minus 2. Now, and I is an identity matrix. Now, watch. For two matrices to multiply and they give an identity matrix, it means that this should be an inverse of this. Does it make sense? Now, take the statement that the multiplication of a matrix and its inverse gives an identity matrix. I hope it makes sense. So therefore, we've been given the value as in the elements of x. Now they want us to find the element of what t, right? Now we should know that from my statement, we should know that t should be inverse of what x. Do you understand? T should be what? Inverse of x. I hope it makes sense. So I have that if I want to get the value of t, I just have to get what? The inverse of what? X. And how do I get the inverse of x? Remember, the formula for inverse of x will be 1 over determinant of what? X times the adjoint of what? X. And how do I get the adjoint of x? I can get the determinant of x and I can equally get the adjoint of x. Now let's take it step by step. The determinant of x. Now the elements in x, I have minus 1, 1, 1 and what? Minus 2, right? Now the determinant of what? Of matrix x will be given by, now take the leading diagonal, multiply the leading diagonal. Minus 1 times minus 2 will give me 2, right? Then you do minus 1 times 1 will give me what? 1. Therefore, the determinant of matrix x will be what? 1. I hope it makes sense. So I have x inverse is equal, which is t. This is t. Remember what I said. T is the inverse of x. Does it make sense? So 1 over determinant of x is 1. Now times adjoint of x. Now what's adjoint of x? What will it be? Now for you to get the adjoint of a matrix, look at what you do. Just look at the elements are minus 1, 1, 1, and minus 2. Swap, that's change the position of the elements in the leading diagonal. That's the one down should come up. So you have minus 2 will come up and minus 1 will do what? Will go down. Now the next thing you have to do is just the signs, change the signs present in the other diagonals. So I have 1, plus is here, so this should be minus 1. And plus is here, here should be equally be minus 1. Do you understand? You change their sign. If it is plus, you put minus 1. If it is minus 1, you put plus. If it is plus, you put minus. If it is minus, you put what? Plus. Do you understand? So this the adjoint of x. So put it here. I have minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Hope it makes sense. Therefore, inverse of x, you take 1 divided by 1 is what? 1. So 1 multiplying anything here will still be the same thing. Therefore, our answer becomes minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus what? 1. And this inverse of x is equally what? T. And these are the elements of what? T. I hope it looks very simple. Please help me by sharing this video. Have a nice day. Like, comment. Bye-bye.